Do you eat pomegranate every week? Then you need to know what it's doing to your body. Most people don't even realize that such a simple fruit can transform your health from the inside out. But before I tell you what happens when you consume pomegranate regularly, stay with me until the end, because you might be missing out on one of nature's most powerful foods. Now take a deep breath and imagine this. You wake up tired, your skin is dull, your mind is sluggish, and little by little you start thinking that this is normal, but it's not. What no one tells you is that pomegranate has one of the highest antioxidant powers among all fruits. It helps clean your blood, protects your heart, and combats silent inflammation that drains your energy without you even realizing. Studies show that consuming pomegranate regularly can improve circulation, balance hormones, and even help with chronic pain. It directly targets the areas in your body that need the most support. But the most impressive thing is its effect on your daily energy. Some people report feeling more energized after just a few days of consumption, as if their body is finally getting what it's been missing. And the secret lies in compounds called pomegranate. They are like natural shields that protect your cells from premature aging, and also help in cellular regeneration. If you feel like your energy is low, your immunity is weak, or your body isn't responding like it used to, pomegranate can be a powerful ally. You don't need to overdo it. A small portion, a few times a week, is enough to start noticing the effects. But remember, there is no miracle food. There is consistency and intelligence in the choices we make about what we put inside our bodies. So now I want to know, do you already consume pomegranate in your daily routine, or will you start after hearing all this? Comment below, and if you want more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because every week, there's a new food that could change your health.